Hey everyone, today I'm going to be going over how to create events inside NetSuite. There are multiple ways to do this, and today I'll show you 3 different ways. The first and easiest way will be going right to your calendar on your home dashboard. And here's your calendar. Here I see there is a recent record for Rebecca Gibbs, so I'll just copy this for an example. So say we do have an appointment with her in 2 weeks' time. All we have to do is click on the plus sign right on the day. Whatever date you highlight over, it does create the plus sign in the upper right hand corner of that specific date. So we'll do it on the 28th. The create new box comes up, and from here we'll just create event, and we'll call this Rebecca Gibbs Interior Design Appointment. Location, we can say their office, or you can type in an actual address. You do have a status of it, event access, and little quick tip here is if you're not too sure what one of the fields means, you can click right on the header and it does bring over a field help. So here this will tell you which each of these options represents: the public, private, and show as busy. Organizer is Dara, since she did create this event. And here we can create a message, any notes. If we want to email the message to the customer, we can check this notify attendees by email. So this one we just send out to Dara. What we can also do is we can type in the customer's name as well. And that will make it so if we did check this notify attendees by email, whatever message was in here, she would get sent along with Dara. But we don't need to do that. Reoccurrence, you can just make this a single event. If you do have customers that you do meet on a weekly basis, a yearly basis, or monthly basis, you can do that as well. And there is customization on how you go about that in here, which is a really great tool to have. But for now, we'll just do a single event. And there we will just click on save. Now we'll go home. And you see on the 28th, there is a little gray box. And highlighting over it does tell you who it's for. So that's one way of going about it. The other way of creating an event is actually going on the customer record itself. So here we're on the customer record. What we'll do now is go to this create new icon, and we'll scroll down to event. The reason I like this one even more is because it auto populates the Rebecca Gibbs Interior Design right in attendings. So then we can set the date. We'll make this be the follow-up appointment. And here we will hit save. Don't worry, Dara, I'll delete these events after I'm done with this. So we'll go home. So on the calendar, you now see 2 events, both for Rebecca Gibbs. And finally, the last way I'll show you how to create an event is directly on the order itself. So this was a recent record, so that's how I chose Rebecca Gibbs. And what we'll do here is click on this handy dandy plus sign, create new icon. We'll scroll down to event, title again, location's not a required field. We'll make the date as today's date's fine. Attendees, since it is related to her record, it does populate her customer name right in the attendees. So we'll go ahead and hit save here. We'll go home. And here you see all 3 appointments that we created for Rebecca Gibbs Interior Design. So it's nothing too hard. But if you guys do have any questions, feel free to shoot me off an email or give me a call. Thank you.